Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my new video Top 5 Best Trading Books. Today I am going to discuss 5 best trading books. These could not be best for others, but these 5 books are best for me because by reading these books I have better understanding and proper educated in trading. You must read these books for better understanding and proper education in trading. My first favorite book is How to Day Trade for a Living, written by Andrew Aziz, PhD. He is an American trader. This book is a beginner's guide to trading tools and tactics, money management, discipline, and trading psychology. In this book, he explains the fundamentals of day trading and how day trading is different from other styles of trading and investing. In this, he also describes important trading strategies that many traders use each day. If you are a beginner trader, this book will equip you with an understanding of where to start, how to start, what to expect from day trading, and how you can develop your own strategy. Simply reading this book will not make you a profitable trader. Profits in trading do not come from reading one or two books, but as I will explain later, profits can come with practice, the right tools and software, and proper ongoing education. Intermediate traders may benefit from these books overview of some of the classic strategies that the majority of retail traders use effectively. Most important lesson that you can learn from this book is that you will not get rich quickly by day trading. Day trading is not similar to gambling or playing the lottery. This is the most important misconception that people have about day trading, and I hope you will come to the same conclusion after reading this book. The second book and my most favorite book is Secret of a Pivot Boss, written by Franklin O. Ochoa. This book offers a roadmap to the market that can be so unbelievably accurate. For every trade, there is a good price, a bad price, and a fair price. The techniques and concept in this book will help you find the best price. Professional traders use tools that are based purely on price, which is a leading indicator in its own class. In this book, you will discover the best leading indicators available to traders, the money zone, floor pivots, and the Cambrella equation. Some of these tools have been uh, around for decades, but many traders do not know they exist or how to use them properly to profit in market. In fact, the traders that do use these tools are typically the ones that drive better cars and have bigger homes. Traders like Larry Williams, Mark Fisher, John Person, and John Carter all use pivots in their trading. These are distinguished traders, educators, and authors that have seen the roadmap and can no longer look at charts the same without these powerful tools plotted in some form or fashion. Independently, the money zone, floor pivots, and the Camarella equation offer roadmap to trading virtually and any chart you can plot. But when used in combination, these tools create the GPS navigation system to trading the market. While you may have studied forms of pivots in past, he is providing a fresh perspective that can only be described as a truly unique approach to playing these amazing levels for profit. Concepts like two-day pivot relationships, pivot width forecasting, pivot trend analysis, and multiple pivot hot zones can improve your analysis and trading by leaps and bounds. Not only not only will he teach you incredible pivot relationship, but he also dialogue his best trading secrets, including powerful candlestick setups and proprietary indicators that he has created to both trade and analyze the market in a highly accurate and profitable manner. The new indicator is one is the CPR, that is Central Pivot Range. The market reserves around repetitions due to human nature, namely fear, greed, and uncertainty. This truism is why the money zone, floor pivots, and Cambrella equation works and will continue to work in future. Secret of a Pivot Boss offers the most comprehensive collection of pivot-related trading ideas and concepts available to traders. Whether you are a real-time trader, swing trader, positional trader, or investor, you will find great value in this book, both as a teaching tool and as a reference, regardless of the markets you trade or your level of experience. He has analyzed the market every day for the past 12 years and have cultivated the techniques in this book into a fine art using the best leading indicators available to traders. He truly believes the concept in this book will help to guide you to a higher level of trading success. My third favorite book is Strategies for Profiting on Every Trade by Oliver L. Velez. This book is designed to address the needs of both income and wealth producing traders. There is a strong tendency to separate these two styles of trading into completely independent skill sets of and approaches. One should never choose whether the income producing style of trading is better than the wealth generating style or vice versa. Rather, one should look to become adapt the both styles. This book will teach you just how to accomplish that. Deal with the all important fast hour trading. Not many traders know that the pent of demand or accumulated supply built up overnight often make the first hour of trading the most volatile. The first 30 minutes of trading in particular are very tricky. You will learn how to deal with this all important time period and turn it into opportunity. Deal with two of the most crucial aspects of proper trading: trade management and money management. The correct management of your position always hinges on several things: a favorable risk reward ratio, a proper entry, and an intelligently selected price target. You will delve deeply into the many chart patterns that we rely on every single day in the market. You will learn about several highly reliable trading events that happen over and over again the same way each time. You will show you how you can turn these events into consistent profits. The fourth and my favorite book is Eddy Excellence, written by Dr. Charles B. Schwab. This book is all about ADX and DMI indicator. There are several hundred different technical indicators available to the trader for analyzing price charts. He trades with one ADX, that is average directional movement index, and DMI, that is directional movement indicator. Most traders today are armed with too many indicators and too little understanding of how to use them properly. Keeping things simple is a major challenge for traders in today's world of high-tech software, powerful computers, and a constant dialogue of information. The excellence of ADX lies in its wealth of information about trend, its simplicity and straightforward signals. For instance, ADX measures trend strength on a scale from 0 to 100. When ADX is less than 25, the trend is not strong enough to trade. When ADX is greater than 25, the trend is strong and trade can be entered on trend retracements. This straightforward signal will keep the trader out of bad trends and guide them into good ones. Another example involves the positive and negative directional indicators, the plus DMI and minus DMI. The indicators upon which ADX is calculated. When the plus DMI is above the minus DMI, the trader should be long, not short. When the minus DMI is above the plus DMI, the trader should be short, not long. The DMI signals are like a simple red light or green light system that can be easily followed. The fifth and my favorite option trading book is Options Made Easy, written by Guy Cohen. Have you ever wanted to trade stocks and options but did not know where to start? Now you can with this easy to read yet comprehensive and practical guide to option trading. Option Made Easy is designed to steer you through the entire trading process, from how to select trusting stocks right through to safely implementing specific stock and option strategies. Option Made Easy is engineered to simplify and accelerate the learning process to give you increased confidence and making consistent profits. Option Made Easy demystifies the walls of options, and whatever your current knowledge level, you will be amazed at how quickly you will learn the following. Options basic on a realistic level, right through to the most advanced strategies, fact and myths of technical and fundamental analysis, how to filter for moving stocks, how to select your optimum strategy, your trading plan for high profitability trades and consistent profits, secrets of trading psychology, how to increase your confidence, and how to eliminate the gambling mentality from your investment decisions. As you read this book, you will discover that you are learning with an interactive guide that you can reference continually. By now, you will appreciate that you have the potential to feel truly confident in making your trading decision. Keep Option Made Easy with you as your essential companion for both stocks and option trading. These are my five favorite best books for trading. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel for most exciting videos. Thank you.